Hoggy block number 1. Yes, here I am. Got lions over there somewhere. Big lions. And over here we have goats. And here we have Cyclops boy with his new whips cycling around the downs, which has just been cleaned and MOT'd and gears checked and tyres pumped up and 15-point check. And over here, no, you're long, no, that's not Wales, no. That Mr. Boss Hogg is the River Avon. And that's my friend the Crow with his mate. That one's male and that one's female. You can tell by beaks. This is his beak. And that is a firing range, or used to be, and that's where we had a tube party back in the 1990s. Put the needle on record. Right, back to my felt bike before I forget where I left it, with its disc brakes. My WTB rims. That's about it. On I cycle. Ciao for now.